Have you ever noticed that history affects the present? In finance and physics, this is called hysteresis. Let's look at how it works. Hysteresis describes a system where the current state depends not just on current inputs, but on the path taken to get there. Think of it like a rubber band. When you stretch it and release it, it doesn't return to the exact same shape immediately. Key traits include memory, lag, and physical or economic friction. It means the system is not perfectly elastic or efficient. Unlike a perfectly elastic system that snaps back, a hysteresis loop shows a gap, or a loss between the forward and return paths. In economic terms, this represents inefficiency. The final state is higher than the start because the system didn't fully reset. Remember this rule: the path you take matters. In markets, this is why volatility can leave lasting impacts on price levels. Understanding hysteresis helps you spot inefficiencies in complex systems. Subscribe for more deep dives into how the world works.